Hi there. In this video, I will be showing you how to reassign an application to another evidence checker account. What you wish to do, of course, is log in into your Arons account. And on the main dashboard, locate the applicant in question that you wish to reassign their application to another individual. If you don't already have set up another evidence checker account, what you wish to do is first create another evidence checker company admin account for another individual. For this, you can check our other video that covers this topic. If you already have created another evidence checker account, all you need to do is just navigate to this begin evidence check button on the dashboard, click on it, and select reassign evidence checker. From here, what you wish is to select that option. That will take you to the reassign applications from your account page. And from here, locate the applicant in question into the list below, tick it, and on the top headline menu, choose the other evidence checker account. Upon successfully choosing who you wish to reassign it to, just click on this Assign To button, and the application will be reassigned successfully to them. That's basically it. All they need to do now is just log in and they will have the option to sign it off. Hope you found this helpful.